That looks really, really good. I want to eat. I want to eat. I want to eat. How am I supposed to tell which left side? All I know is that it tastes real good. Nom, nom, nom.
Except we can't find silkworm. How about we cook this at the panel?
Okay, this makes my day. I want to eat it all right now. How about giant spider legs?
Do you want to take a nap together? Do you like my dress? It's not spicy, I already tasted. Because it's not spicy, can we add some pepper flakes?
Not on mine. That looks really, really good.
Yes.
But
it's not spicy. I feel like it's a lot. You don't have to finish all. It doesn't look spicy.
It smells good.
Yes. Do you want to eat now?
Yes, I want to eat now. So this is Mamba tofu?
Mapo Tofu.
Mabo.
No, not bow. It's similar. It's supposed to be spicy, but it's not spicy. Do you want to add some pepper flakes?
No, I want to eat. I want to eat. I want to eat. I want to eat. I want to eat.
Okay, we eat.
I'm not even joking around tonight. I'm just wanting to put food in my mouth. I'm not even joking.
Okay, this is yours.
It's mine.
Do you want more meat here? I can give you.
No, I want this meat.
Okay, I can give you
No.
more meat.
Now.
Okay. On the left side, it's spicier than the right side.
On the left side? Which left side? How am I supposed to tell which left side?
I used two different sauce, and the left one is medium, the right one is spicier. And I already taste both not spicy.
All I know is that it tastes real good.
Really?
Yes, it's real good. Okay, can we add this to our repertoire of things that we cook periodically? You know.
The meat tastes good. The meat and tofu together tastes really good.
Yes. Can we add this to our list? We buy the curry and we cook the curry. Can we add the Mamba tofu?
Mapo Tofu.
Okay, well, can we add this to our list? We can buy it when we see it, and we can keep it in the food closet, and then sometimes we can eat it.
Yes, it tastes really good, but it's not spicy. If you want to add more spicy, just add some pepper flakes. It tastes good. It tastes pretty good, right?
Yep.
Especially with the rice. It is too much, you don't have to eat.
You know what? I just had a thought. This is sort of like the Chinese version of manwich.
What's that?
It's a Chinese manwich. Okay, so it's loose mincemeat, right? Loose ground beef.
It's ground beef, yes.
Yep. So it's just like eating a manwich,
What's that?
a hamburger helper. The American version would be hamburger helper.
How about, since we can't find silkworm, how about we cook this at the panel? This?
I'm not sure we should give up on the silkworm yet.
If we serve this at the panel, I think more people will likely to eat this than the silkworm. And I think everybody will like this.
Yeah, but silkworm will separate the men from the boys at the panel. Nom, 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 nom. So,
it's very flavorful because
I noticed
usually
it's got a little bit of these onion things in it. So typically, people do not serve Mapo Tofu with green peppers or red peppers or any other type of celeries or any other type of vegetables in it. Is it typically just tofu and mincemeat
and ground meat? Yes, tofu and ground meat. I'm surprised.
Okay, this makes my day. I don't remember what we cooked for breakfast. No, it was fried rice, wasn't it?
You made fried rice.
This makes my day.
It's like real meal. Were you hungry?
Apparently I was. I didn't know how hungry I was until I saw this. And then I got super hungry.
Really? Tofu has no taste, but this one is very flavorful. Do you like tofu now?
Maybe I liked tofu before.
My dad.
I just wasn't sure what to think about this mambo stuff because I've never had it before.
My dad doesn't like tofu. I think he will like this kind of tofu.
You know what? Today was just sort of an average, crappy going to work day, doing work stuff. And now that I've got this food in my mouth, the day doesn't seem so bad.
Do you want to save some for tomorrow morning?
No, I want to eat it all right now.
We have more rice. We don't have green vegetables. We're just eating tofu.
Yeah, maybe it would go good with cabbage.
Yes. Do you want some meat? I have some meat. Seems like you don't have meat. You want some meat.
Well, I've got meat.
I really like to eat the tofu and mix with rice. If we can't find the silkworm, I really think we should serve this at the food panel. I think people will love it. Oh, yes, we can bring the rice cooker. We can serve people rice and with tofu.
You know, today was a real overcast, rainy, cold, and now that I got a little food in me, things seem a little bit happier.
I think if I cut the tofu smaller, the tofu will be more flavorful. Do you think I cut the tofu too big? I will save this half for tomorrow morning. I only put a little bit pork. You can use ground pork or ground beef. Are you full?
Full-ish.
I really think we can serve this at the convention. This can be optional, right?
I was really hoping for strange food.
Silkworm, they don't sell it anymore.
How about giant spider legs?
There's no giant spider. I think I cut the tofu too big. This for tomorrow. I can put more meat next time.
Yeah.
This is super easy and super fast and it tastes good. You don't need to put salt, just a bag of. I think I made too much. I made 2 pans of Mapo Tofu.
The ingredients include fish extract. What is a fish extract? How do they extract fish extract? They milk the fish?
I don't know. It says that the ingredients are sugar, soy sauce, water, corn syrup.
Hey, this has got shallots in it.
And it also has sesame oil and salted chili pepper and chili bean paste. Well, that's a lot of stuff in the bag of sauce.
Yeah.
And it has ginger, rice vinegar, tomato sauce, lot of stuff.
It's got anchovy flavor.
What is that?
Anchovy, tiny fishes. So I followed instructions better than you. It says consume immediately because I ate it faster.
I still want to eat it, but I'm full.
It says serves 2 to 3 people. I guess we need a third person here.
Yes, I think I made too much. I used 2 package, so that's for what? 4 people. Is that 4 people serving?
4 to 6.
I need to stop. That's 4 people serving. Maybe I have too much.
Well, so you did what, 2 packets of tofu?
Yes.
Yeah, you're trying to feed us for 4 to 6 people here.
I should stop. Really.
Okay, so I'm thinking this stuff would make a great side dish.
But it's a main dish.
Is it supposed to be a main dish?
With rice, if you go to a restaurant, they sell this. Do you remember last night we went to the dumpling restaurant? They had this dish.
Okay.
Okay.
You've been talking about making this stuff for what, about a month or so?
Yes, we bought those a few weeks ago. And we finally... Oh, looks like in the picture it has pepper flakes. I should have put pepper flakes on. Make it more spicy. Because those 2 sauces, not spicy at all.
Well, I wouldn't say they're not spicy at all. They're a little bit spicy.
It's not spicy for me.
Why does the hot have less calories?
Really?
Calories in the super hot is 45 and the calories in the medium hot is 50.
I made too much. This is for 4 people serving. I can't believe how much we ate.
That looks like it's probably about 1 serving.
Yes, and yours. You eat too much. There's still one. I should stop. We have several favorite sauce. This soybean paste, Mapo Tofu, it contains soybean paste, and we have this paste. You can also use this to cook tofu. This is like a stir-fried sauce.
Well, I'm just disappointed that it didn't contain any mambo.
Huh?
I'm disappointed that it didn't contain any mambo.
What is mambo?
Mambo is a very poisonous snake.
I wasn't very hungry because we had chocolate. Don't steal it tonight. Super full. I used 2 chunks of tofu. Wow, we have 2 chunks of tofu in our stomach. We can use the Mapo Tofu sauce on other vegetables too. I want to make curry next. We bought this oil drizzle.
Drizeller. Drizzler?
Yeah, I think this is very useful. I really like it, and the bottle looks pretty good too.
Wasn't Drizella one of Cinderella's sisters?
This is better than the bottle of oil, so I don't put too much oil. This one is pretty good. I didn't know about this. Mom never used this. And this is actually very useful. What else we can put? Oh, we can put soy sauce. We should get another one for soy sauce, and another one for vinegar, and another one for what else we can put it. I really like it, and it looks very pretty, right? Do you feel like olive oil is darker than vegetable oil? The color is darker, right?
Do I feel like it is darker? I'm not sure it's an emotion, sweetie.
Do you think the color is darker than vegetable oil?
Give me a kiss. Thank you for my dinner.
Do you want to take a nap together? Okay, bye-bye. Okay, we're going to take a nap. Do you like my dress? Do you like it? Do you like my dress? Do you like my dress? Do you like it? Do you like my dress?